带观众朋友来看这新闻，讲到美国的缅因州25暗时发生烧电线证案，包含保龄球馆、餐厅一寡人较济所在，也拢传出枪声，上报有22个人死亡，60人受伤。这嫌犯开枪了后，就随离开现场。警方除了封锁地区，也要求当地店家随爱关门，也要求居民就要赶紧回去关门串户，注意安全。
缅因州一向封认为是美国低犯罪率的州，把几啊摆封选为全美上安全的州之一。第一、第二大城波特兰、路易斯顿拢互外界治安良好印象。25暗晚7点开始，路易斯顿的保龄球馆传出一连串的枪声，接落来离大约10分钟车程的一间汉堡餐厅也发生枪击。案发地点拢是人聚集的所在，伤亡惨重。
Over 10, where at least I knew they were shots. And then when I got on top of the bowling machine, it was a lot of ruckus back there. So I don't really know from that, but I heard the first one. It was probably 15 feet behind me. I mean, he was close, very close.
案发了后，互监视器翕到的这个穿浅咖啡色的外套、野把自动步枪的枪手，驶一台白色修理车走离现场。警方伫8点封锁全市，呼吁居民唔通跨出点地安全的所在。佮动员数百名警力展开大规模搜捕行动。
We have literally hundreds of police officers working around the state of Maine to investigate this case, to locate Mr. Card, who again is a person of interest and a person of interest only. And we'll continue to gather information so that we can bring the suspect to justice.
就根公布的资料，其这件大规模连续枪击案的主要关系人是伫美国陆军奥比约训练营担任枪械教练的40岁查某人罗伯卡德。今年热天，伊捌伫精神健康机构接受2礼拜治疗，详细内容并无公布。只知影卡德有幻听，佮捌威胁要开枪攻击缅因州的萨克军事训练基地。公司新闻王慧文编译。